What's up, guys? Hope you're all doing well. It's cold, windy, but after a lot of research into a specific question and a specific pay that I kept getting was, Clint, I work a full-time job. I can trade from 7 till whatever time you need to trade, but I need to bath the kids, I need to do this, that, supper, all of those things. And everyone bugs me, with NASDAQ. So that's like my two things, like people running out of time working but wanting to trade. People loving NASDAQ. And I needed to find a certain pattern, a certain move with NASDAQ after hours. And I don't know if you guys that follow me on Instagram, like way back, I was putting out this little competition myself and Simone were having, where I called it the 9 p.m. strategy, right? I labeled it the 9 p.m. strategy, not like what it actually is, what I'm going to explain here. And people were like, what's the 9 p.m. strategy? So as far back as then, I was looking at ways to help people that work full time, because I respect you guys that work 9 to 5 and still have families to take care of, and you still want to dedicate to the charts, and normally most pairs don't move those hours. So here you go, one of the first videos that I'm going to put into Fairstex 3.0. The other things that I look at before I upload the video, I want to make sure of things like it needs to work like almost 10 out of 10 times, right? Like it needs to pan out almost 10 out of 10, but 9 out of 10 times before I actually go and I go, okay, cool, let's put it out. So you're looking at a screen and you see me label 600 pips down, 800 pips up. Clint, what the F is going on? Okay. Every single night between 9 and 10, there's a certain direction of a certain movement on NASDAQ that you can catch, right? Quite simply put, it's crazy because it happens at about 9:30 till 10 o'clock. 30 minutes to bag 300, 400, 500, 600 pips. Boom, you can make 1,000 rand. Boom, a 5K. Boom, a 10K. Boom, a 20K. Whatever your risk appetite is. And how it works is, what I love about how it works is that when it comes to that time of 9:30, it moves one way. It does not move up 200 pips, down 200 pips, up 300, down 400. No, it goes a certain way. This move over here, for those that's watching this, that's in the signals group, I said the break to the upside is imminent. Right? I said it's imminent and it happened. 600 pips down, 500 pips down. These boxes are the areas of 9:30 to 10 o'clock. 400 pips up. This is a Friday, holding over a weekend. 17 down, 400 up, 450 up, 800 up, 700 up, 1,100 up. Look, one move direction. 600 down. Now, when you drop to the 1 minute, that's where it gets. That way it actually gets so easy. 600 down, 500 down, 350, 5. Now, guys, you can go back to whatever year you want, go back as far as you like, and you can go look at this yourself. It's the same consistent move. There's no specific way of up or down, right? There's not like a pattern, like, oh, it's up today, down tomorrow. Up today, down tomorrow. Down again. See? Looked like a pattern, but in the following 2 days it was both down. Yeah, the box is actually off here, you can see. 9:30, 10 o'clock. That's not 600. It's more like 1,500. Oh, it's 600. Okay. Yeah. I'll show you live. Look. 9:30. Here we go. 9:30. 10 o'clock. To all the papas and mamas, I know you're gonna love me more. But even those that just love to be on the chart, you guys also gonna love me. Okay. 500. 500 up. Right? Previous day. Look. We also get days of consolidation. Where's 9:30? 9:30. 10 o'clock. Basically sideways. Not up nor down, just sideways. Here we go. 9:30. See where the finger is? 9:30. Where else is use the measuring tool? $600 bucks. Right. Okay. 9:30. $870. Next day. Here we go. I don't want to bore you guys with this, but you can go check yourself. 9:30. 10 o'clock. 380 pips. Okay, let's go back here. Yeah, again. 9:30, one big candle down from here. +9. Tough. $600 pips. $930. $330 pips. Now, guys, let me not bore you with that. You guys can see it yourself. 930, 930, 930, 945 to 10, 10, 15. Same thing over and over. Boring. So what you do is now, let me change the color of the big blue block. And this is how I back tested it. Boom. 1 minute. At 9 o'clock, I start seeing price play out. Sideways. Now watch it. Now I can see, okay, you're going up. Because even if you look at like the 50-minute, you would see some sort of support, right? But watch it on the 1 minute, that's the trick. Anyway, this is 30 minutes of your time, guys. Don't be lazy. Going on the 1 minute, and even if you must draw a fib on the 1 minute or a And you can do it on MetaTrader 4 as well. Or a trend line, or whatever. But the 1 minute, and you literally start waiting for the time. Like 9:30. Boom. Bullish engulfing. Yes, price pushed up, back down, stayed above your entry. Stop loss would have been here, but price moved up a total of 500 pips. Right now we got in early on the signal, because if you break it down from the 4 hour, 1 hour, 50 minute, you're gonna get early entries, especially when you're confident in your direction that price is going, right? Like I am. Let's go to the day before. Okay. Watch this. Go down to the 1 minute. There you go. So now you're in the block. Here's the block. Okay, where's the 10 o'clock block? Okay, yeah, there we go. There we go. More or less that time. So now we're in 9:30, right? 9:30. You don't see any sort of pattern. Right here at quarter to 10. Now I like quarter to 10. That's where a lot of the times it play out. Sometimes if you're a bit too late, you want to actually like get your entry point sorted before the times of 9 to 10. So you would have like this over here. Like something as silly as a double top. Because now you know 9 o'clock to 10, there's volatility, there's some sort of injection into the market. So if you see a double top, boom, you sell. Right? 1 minute is showing a low to higher low to higher low. I would have got out, to be honest, I would have taken profit. I would have taken it from there to there. That's already like 450 pips. Because we have no idea it's going to make a lower low. We would get out where there was previous support. Okay? You go out, okay? Okay, yeah. Hope you guys are enjoying the course, by the way, for those that's new. Please don't come straight to Festex 3.0 if you haven't seen everything else. Am I on the 1 minute? Yeah. There we go. $9. Now you look like, okay. Price came down from what was like normal boring analysis, guys. What you do, like, okay, so we broke that support at area. We came up 1 week, 2 week, hangman, sell. Put stop loss here if you're using a 1 lot, 2 lot. But more or less on the retest area. And then boom. Think of pips, like if you see the market's going down in profit and you're 200 pips up, move your stop loss past entry. Now you know, okay, whenever I do this, it's between 350, 500 pips, so I'll get out after wherever I'm happy. Whenever I'm smiling at my phone, I'm like, yes, Nasdaq is blue. Take profit, right? Quarter to 10, price melts. Okay? Let's go to this one over here. I'm not going to pull you. Last one. Because you guys can do this on your own. You guys can literally do this on your own. You can backtest the shit out of this. I'm just sharing what I learned, right? I'm not selfish. I don't need to keep this to myself. Okay. I found a previous support that was resistance for 1 minute, broke, came down, boom, re-entry. So you do everything like you do on the higher time frames on the 1 minute. Treat the 1 minute like a 4 hour. Throw a little. That's 2 minutes of support. 1, 2 minutes of resistance. Retest. Boom. Off she goes. When you're in profit, you're like, okay, cool. It always moves 300 to 500. Look at that. 500. You could get out anyway. We do one more. Video's already 15 minutes long. This was market cap. Example, trend line. Half past 9 comes, price is bullish on the trend line. Let me place a buy here at half past 9. Put my stop below here. Buy 9972, stop 9964. Not even 100 pips. Price pops up. $270 pips. Throw down 400. You see how price consolidates up there. You know, okay, cool. Resistance, get out. Now you guys can take this information and do with it as you please. And I hope that is make money. I cracked the code for full-time moms and dads that look for a market. Look, the market moves throughout the day. But at this specific time that dads and moms want to be on the chart, the kids are asleep, there's a move that plays out in one direction only. So watch the video again. Mark out your 15-minute segments when price stay. Drop to the 1 minute. Do your little fancy drawings, technicals, fibs, trend lines, break and support, resistance, whatever you want to do. But catch the damn move and bag 400 pips a day. Because if you're consistent in this Monday to Thursday or Tuesday to Friday, whatever the case might be, and I'm trying to work on a way that we can get in early on a Friday for the direction, because as you know, Justin closes the broker a bit early. But for those that are using other brokers, it's very similar to this. Like, wait for the direction, get in before market closure, and see what's up. So yeah, guys, that's it. Nothing fancy, nothing simple. It's just my eyes have been glued for months and months looking for a pattern, looking for a guaranteed way. I'm doing this with my fingers. You know, the bunny ears in my fingers. A guaranteed way to make money on NASDAQ 10 out of 10 times. It's not bulletproof, but it works. And I did it in my signals group. And I'm maybe going to start pushing it out, because those in the signals group, they don't know the strategy unless they sign up in the main online course. But I'd rather call the signal in the signal group than give away the strategy, because why? Students invest in my knowledge, in my course, and it's always been like that from day one. Yes, the prices are cheaper now, but the course was always 10,000 Rand. It was always the most expensive. They might be similar in pricing now, but students are students, and whatever I learn, you guys learn. So really, I will appreciate your feedback. You guys can let me know on Instagram. Don't give away too much in what you comment. I will just screenshot, share your name. Let me know what you guys think, and what's tomorrow? Shit, it's tomorrow Friday. Tomorrow's Friday, right? Tomorrow's Friday, so. But Monday, you guys can do it. But go back test the weekend. Use the weekend to back test. And just make money. That's all I want every single one of you guys to do. I want you guys to make money. I want you guys to make money, help your family out, put food on the table, spoil your kids, do good shit, you know? I'm not selfish. I'm a good guy. Yes, the internet makes me look bad, but that's how it is. I was listening to Kevin Hart's Audible, and he talks about it in there. No matter how famous you get, you're going to get people that hate on you. But the people that's in the circle know your art. So you guys can know my art, see where it's at, use this information, make money, look after your family, and God bless you all. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.